Need gifts the whole family will love? Light up the season with Roku. Deck the walls with a new TV and watch festive days like never before.
On your mark. Get set. Bake.
Give any TV a glow up with fast, fun, and easy streaming. And never miss a moment with Roku cameras and doorbells. Treat yourself to one or get a whole sled full. Every gift's got a little sparkle and a lot of savings. Shop now.
During his first visit to Egypt in nearly 2 decades, ancient astronaut theorist Georgios Tsoukalos is eager to find out about a recent discovery concerning a possible hidden chamber located deep inside the walls of the Great Pyramid of Giza. This way. With him are Egyptologist Rami Ramani and archaeoastronomer Dr. Giulio Magli. They are making their way to what is called the Grand Gallery, which can only be reached after walking up a 200-foot-long passageway. Directly above their heads is the area where an international team of scientists believe they may have located an enormous hidden chamber, more than 100 feet long.
So this is it, the Grand Gallery. You look at this and you think how huge this place is. And it's perfect. The blocks, they fit together and no mortar was used, and you can't even put a money bill in between the fittings. And this is what type of stone that we're looking at in here, Miles. So you think the void is right on top of our heads here?
I think it covers the Grand Gallery.
And how big is it in relation to where we're standing?
It should be as big as this gallery.
Okay, wow.
The news of a possible fourth chamber within the Great Pyramid has become a source of great controversy inside the archaeological community. They have long held the belief that pyramids were essentially built as burial vaults, each possessing no more than 3
Egyptian pharaohs, but they're found in vaults deep underground at the Valley of the Kings in Luxor, hundreds of miles away from the pyramids. The pyramids, they have no real explanation of what their purpose was.
In your opinion, what do you think is inside that void that was just discovered?
Okay, there is one possibility. In the pyramid text mention the destiny of the pharaoh. The pharaoh will sit on an iron throne among the stars.
Can you elaborate on that iron throne?
Yes, of course. There was no melted iron in Egypt.